Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, look at that. That's crazy.
What do you think about the embarkation?
Oh, it was really smooth, like very easy, very quick, no problems. I thought it was really nice.
And the mustard station?
Mustard was
drill?
the best ever.
Wow, it was like what?
30 seconds.
30 seconds?
Stops.
I mean, we stopped by to show you the life jacket, but if
It was
not,
great.
we didn't even have to do that. Amazing. What are you getting?
I don't know.
I'm getting the Shaq Attack. Take the Shaq Attack, please. Okay, give me.
All right.
Oh, thank you. Hey guys, we are eating here at Shaq's Chicken, and all these people keep asking, "Well, you want a drink? You gonna drink?" So I ordered a drink right here. We don't have the liquor package, so I asked the guys like how much it is. He said 12 bucks because you're paying for the cup. When I got my ticket, it was 20 bucks because they charge the port taxes. And of course the tip and stuff like that. But damn, from 12 to 20, that's $8 bucks. So be careful ordering something on port, guys. But let's have fun. Order, Amanda.
I got the big Aristotle.
Oh, you're one of those fancy. Why don't you go talk to Chris?
Yeah, hold your pinkies up when you eat it.
Let's see. Is it good? All right, here comes the Shaq Attack. Now, that is a chicken sandwich. I'm not a big fan of barbecue sauce, but this one, so good. Wow. That's cute.